What's up, everybody? Richard back today with another reaction video, and right after this video is uploaded, I'll be streaming live over on my Twitch, twitch.tv/RichardJamvin. Link down in the description below. Come on over and hang out. But with that out of the way, Fit for an Autopsy, Far From Heaven. Listen, man, Sea of Tragic Beast was a fantastic record. The title track is still one of the best riffs that just come into my mind immediately. Like, I can listen to that intro of that song on loop forever. Let's see what Far From Heaven has for us. Here we go. Very, Thy Art Is Murder, Holy War type of video. All right. Okay. Dudes are all dressed up, all right. Oh. We're marching. All right. Okay. Oh, man. That is groovy. Chanting chorus is cool. Oh, some scraping, okay. Oh. You're never gonna get those stains out, dude. What's gonna happen? Oh man, I got chills. Okay. Fit for an Autopsy, Far From Heaven. Wow. That was quite a way to end the track there, man. Wow, that was very powerful. Okay, so vocally, my dude Joe Bad over here, man, obviously just a total beast. I love the chorus in this track, man. Very, like, choir, chanty, you know, kind of like, not, I don't know why, but whenever I think of that, I think of the Alpha and the Omega by King 810. Not that this at all sounded like that, but just like that style of a chorus. Riffs, man, some big, chunky, huge riffs, and then he also has like like those sections with those leads, like my dude was shredding, man. I thought that was sick, but that breakdown, man, at the end really was a nice like icing on the cake to an already spectacular song. Damn, man, this was sick. This is a really cool way to kind of you know, go from the Sea of Tragic Beasts into this, you know, kind of with like those more cinematic feels and stuff like that, while also still being heavy and still delivering those sick breakdowns that we all know and love. So there you guys have it. If you guys want to follow me on social media, links are down below. Patreon, Twitch, where I'm going to be streaming right after this video. So come on over, hang out, and there's also, you know, this video will be down in the description as well. So till the next one, peace.